Hello guys! This video will show you how to autofill in Google Sheets. And the first step that you should do is you have to prepare your table like this. You have to prepare the table that you want to autofill, and you have to prepare for the formula. And I'm going to insert the formula here. This is just for an example. Okay, I'm gonna do like multiplication. And if we want to autofill the formula, we have to block the cell that we want to autofill like this. And you have to click longer here, and this option will appear, and you have to click this icon, and we can click autofill. Okay, and now the autofill is ready, and you can try by yourself. And see you guys. Thanks for watching.